चलिए, some tips about सक्सेस का राज क्या है. ठीक है, ललिता, कांता, everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
What I look at thing as success. I think one thing, the biggest success का जो राज है, वो जितनी जल्दी पता चल जाए वो अच्छा है, कि give up negativity. Give up negativity from your life. बुद्धा कहते हैं the single most cause of people not succeeding is that they have negativity for themselves, negativity for people around them. It is said that, in a day's time, we get something like 50 to 70,000 thoughts. And out of the 95% thoughts are repetitive. कल आए थे, वही आज आ रहे, वही परसों आ रहे. And 90% of them are negative thoughts. So there is a habit kind of a thing. कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं कि वो चांद में भी सुंदर सा चांद हो जाएगा ना पूर्णिमा का, फिर भी उसमें कुछ ना कुछ डिफेक्ट निकालेंगे. और कुछ लोग जो थोड़े लोग पॉजिटिव हैं, वो बिल्कुल अंधेरी सी टनल होगा, बिल्कुल अंधेरा होगा, थोड़ा सा भी रोशनी आएगी कैंडल की, तो उसमें भी वो विश्वास रखते हैं, and then they go ahead. So I think, one thing is very clear, we have to give up negativity. How do we give negativity? The negativity के लिए क्या, each one of us have to learn meditation. Meditation is the biggest medicine on the earth. So all of us must learn what I call self-healing meditation and practice it. Now, what does that meditation do? It takes away your negativity, slowly it becomes less, and it eliminates altogether. How? The fear goes away. There is no fear. And because when you do meditation, the prefrontal cortex becomes more powerful, and the place, amygdala in the brain, which is responsible for fear, slowly decreases, and you find the fear disappears. So my advice to all of you is to learn meditation, whether you do it for 5 minutes or you do it for 10 minutes and then increase over a period of time. This is going to be the great self-healing meditation you have to learn, and any one of you will be interested, I will be teaching you. Clear? The second is food soaking. To take away your negativity, the people who are already depressed, talking always negative about self and always talking negative about people, is that they should do food soaking. Take in a bucket, should be one full of water by 1/3. That much. खाली पैर आपके छोटे से नीचे एड़ी से ऊपर तक भीग जाए, और उसमें थोड़ा सा आप सादा पानी बाहर निकाल के रख लीजिए, उसमें थोड़ा सा नमक डालिए, 2 चाय के चम्मच, और put your feet together in that, and 15 minutes you soak. You find that your negativity will disappear. Over a period of time, during this particular time when you're food soaking, then 15 minutes में आपकी सबकी negativity कम हो जाएगी. Your depression, your negativity, all negative feelings for other people, this will disappear. Third is be optimistic. Never ever say the word impossible. ये नहीं हो सकता. इसको कहना छोड़ना पड़ेगा. Optimism is a skill, and कोई भी चीज skill है उसको develop किया जा सकता है. So I find, the people who are positive, they can proactively have to practice optimism and never ever say impossible. Then fourth thing which I find is keep your back straight. Become a Superman 3 times a day. इसमें क्या करना होगा आपको? अपना वर्टिब्रल कॉलम सीधा करना पड़ेगा and behave like a soldier. The soldier's back is straight. Just look up a little bit towards the sky and it is going to really charge you. A lot of scientific work has been done on it. It is said that stress hormone, which is cortisol, decreases by 30%. Happy hormone, that is dopamine, increases by 30%. You are activated, you are motivated, you are inspired. So whatever you are up to, you'll be able to do it. Fourth thing, be conscious about your company. कहते हैं आपके 5 दोस्त हैं, उनको आप देख लीजिए तो आपका इकोनॉमिक स्टेटस बता देंगे, और अगर आपके 5 दोस्तों से मिल लें तो आपकी पर्सनैलिटी के बारे में बता देंगे. So be very conscious about it because the mirror effect takes place of your company. And neuroplasticity phenomena is very strong. आपकी body के neurons की synapses change होने लगती है over a period of time, and you tend to somehow copy or get inspired by your own colleagues. Then there is a good habit of writing it up. Whatever you want to do, whatever positive thing you want to do, put it down black and white and paste it on your working table right in front of you, so you should be able to see it 3-4 times in a day. So this keeps off inspiring you. At the same time, there are people जिन्होंने आपको धोखा दिया है, आपको हर्ट किया है, आपको कुछ चीज छीना है, आपकी हैप्पीनेस को छीना है, ऐसे लोगों को they cannot go out of your sight. But it is said that if you start writing about it, like, okay, somebody has hurt me, I've forgiven him. If you start doing it, this over a period of time, you will be able to get rid of those negative people. So this writing it down probably makes a lot of impact. Another thing is, I put it down that negativity also you can get away. There is a quantum theory in this. Any point you focus, so it's just like a light disk gets focused on it. And when you look at that particular thought over a period of time, this negativity slowly disappears and that particular thought becomes positive. So I think, once you focus on that particular thing, आपने देखा होगा एक बार आपके पीछे कुत्ता लग गया, you just turn back and be steady. Just watch the dog. Don't do anything. ना उसको कुछ पत्थर मारो, ना उसको डंडा मारो, ना कुछ मारो. Just watch it. And you find that the dog will, in little bit of time, it will just take its own way. So the negativity can be changed into positivity, but just staring at it. The similar thing happens for a thought. Then it is said that if you want to have a healthy mind, positive mind, you have to have a healthy body. एक टाइम पे आपके ब्रेन से अगर एक मैसेज बॉडी को जाता है, उसी काम करने के लिए अगर आप बॉडी पे एक्शन शुरू करें तो 5 मैसेजेस ब्रेन को जाते हैं. So it is much simpler that you should work on your body and become positive. तो उसके लिए आपकी हेल्थ बहुत जरूरी है. It means activity, walking, exercise, everything put you in a positive mode. And less is said about the sattvic diet. It is good. My principle to all these people who are listening me, सात्विक डाइट का एक बड़ा कंपोनेंट है. मॉर्निंग में ब्रेकफास्ट 7 o'clock से लेकर रात दोपहर के 12 बजे तक आपने खाली फ्रूट्स एंड फ्रूट्स खाने. हाउ मच फ्रूट्स? जितना आपका वेट है मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10, you should eat fruits. Lunch should be your major meal, but lunch से पहले प्रॉमिस करना पड़ेगा अपने आप को कि मैंने plenty of salad खानी है. How much salad? You must eat जितना भी आपका weight है multiplied by 3 to 5 times. That is the salad you should take, and you should spend about half an hour on the salad. And then whatever you want to take. The dinner should be very light, like a pauper, and it should be before the sunset, not later than 6 o'clock. So I think, if you work on that, these kind of things, you'll find slowly and slowly you become focused. And the last tip is, if anybody can want to do it, become an early riser. Rise above before 6 o'clock. If you can join a 5 a.m. club, all the great. And what should you do in an extra 1 hour? The 20-20-20 ka rule hai. 20 minutes you should exercise, vigorous exercise, so aapko sweat, pasina aa jaye. 20 minutes you should do meditation, and 20 minutes you should do swadhyay. Kuch nayi cheez padhni hai. Get hold of some YouTube videos which are not of your subject. आप कोई जनरल टॉपिक में जो कि आपको मोटिवेशनल दे, चाहे आपके बॉडी के लिए वर्किंग के लिए है, चाहे प्राणायाम हो, चाहे मेडिटेशन हो, किसी की कोई बुक की समरी हो, all that kind of things, if you start doing it, and then next 1 hour you should plan आप अपने दिन में क्या करने वाले हैं, उसके लिए कुछ प्रिपरेशन की जरूरत है. That particular point you plan. If you get up before 6 o'clock, I'm sure all these kind of things are possible. So this summarizes what I wish to say as far as the success ka Raj is concerned. Anybody wants to ask anything?